Did you know that the Dutch language has 16 different vowel sounds? Welcome to a new video from Active Dutch. Ik ben Anouk van der Linde en ik ben docent NT2. In this video you're going to learn the difference between active, passive vowels, diphthongs, which is a combination of two vowel sounds, and the Dutch schwa, the sound. It's important that you can hear the difference because the meaning will also be different. For example, a as in man is a man and the a as in maan is the moon.
I'll start with the passive vowels. In most books, these vowels are called short vowels, but that's a misleading term because they're actually not shorter than the so-called long vowels, man, maan. The vowel is exactly the same length, but the difference is the way this vowel is produced. A. With a, you hardly do anything with your mouth. It's very limp, so I call them passive vowels. E, pen. I, bril. O, sok. Bus. A, maan. So notice the difference when you look at my mouth. Man, maan. E, been. I, fiets. O, boom. U, muur. Ui is a gliding sound. Have a look at my mouth. Ui, house. Ei is also a gliding sound. Ei, ijsje. Trein. Exactly the same sound, but a different spelling. So notice the two different spellings. Het kleine ijsje. Au, auto, is also a gliding sound. Au. Au, exactly the same sound, but a different spelling. Vrouw. So notice the two different spellings for the sound au. Het blauwe touw. Is not a gliding sound. Neus. And is not a gliding sound either. As in book. And finally, the schwa sound, which is a silent e. As in de. It also occurs in words like moeilijk, makkelijk. So the ending is unstressed and it's pronounced as moeilijk. There are also words ending in ig, as in 20. Here the end is also unstressed, so it's pronounced as 20.
Bedankt voor het kijken en tot ziens! If you liked my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram @ActiveDutch.